Thank you and welcome. Today I want you to follow me as I walk you through how to calculate multiply mathematically with lines. It's very simple. As you can see, number 1 shows 14 times 14. 14 times 14, what you do is you rule the first line perpendicular 1, then you jump to the second digit of 14, which is 4. You rule 4 lines, then thereafter you cross the multiplication sign, you take the first digit of 14 again, second 14, you rule 1, then the other one you rule 4 times again, 1 2 3 4, then you cycle here down, you cycle here down, you cycle here down. Then what you do now next is you start picking the lines of interception. I repeat, lines of interception. Then you jot here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16, you remember, you write 6, carry 1, put here. All right, then you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then here gives you 9, then here gives you 1. All right, so therefore what you have is equals 196. That's your answer. All right, good. So let's take a look at number 2. 24 times 12. What you do is you still repeat the same thing. You remember what I taught you earlier on? You do 2 perpendicular lines, all right, then you skip a bit and rule 4 times. 4 times, I repeat, 4 times. Oh, this one the 4 times. Okay, then you pick number 1, you pick number 1, cross it down, pick 2, 1 2. All right, then you cycle again, you cycle the center together, then you cycle here. All right, having done that, you still calculate number of interception. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You write down 8, then count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You write down 8, 1 2. You write down 2. So your answer becomes equals 288. That's your answer, the final answer. All right, so another interesting part is when it involves 0. 0 is another interesting part of this calculation. All right, let's take a look at 64. 64 times 10. 64 times 10 is very simple, but let's see what it gives us. You rule 6 times, 6 times I said, then you skip a bit and rule 4 times. All right, then you cross it for the first digit. For the first digit, you cross it 1. Then 0 is nothing. All right, since 0 is nothing, you don't rule for 0. You leave it there, but having in mind that there is 0. So in other words, you can put down your 0 already here, 0. So what you calculate now is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you can now write 10. Means what you have there is 100. All right, so what happens is you cycle here, you cycle here. Once you've done that, you calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6. You write down your 6 down here. Okay, you write 6 Then calculate this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You write down your 4. Then remember there was 0 that existed under 10. Yes, you carry down that 0 I told you earlier, put it down here. So your answer becomes 640. That's your answer. 640. Thank you. But you see, this is so simple. Anybody who doesn't understand this can as well try using calculator. Calculator will still put you through, but this is just the simplest for those of you that want to do that of exams. You are in your exam hall, you want to write and write perfectly, you want to do it fast, try using line star. Thank you. Welcome to zeroblog.com.